Hey guys, welcome to How to Zone. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to clear app cache on iPhone. So let's just get straight into it. First things first, simply go ahead and start off by opening your App Store, and on the top right, click on your profile icon. Now, what you want to do is scroll down, and as you can see, there's this button called Personalized Recommendations, and click on that. As you can see, there's going to be a little tab called Your Usage of Apps, and there's a button called Clear App Usage Data. You want to simply go ahead and click on that, click on Clear App Usage Data, and that is it. It's going to clear your cache. However, this is not going to completely clear all the cache. So there's another one step you need to follow. Now, let's just close the App Store and head into Settings, and then click on General and straight head into iPhone storage. Now you're going to get a bunch of list of applications that you have installed on your phone. In order to go ahead and clear cache, all you need to do now is simply go ahead and open the application that you want to go ahead and clear cache with. Click on Offload App, and then click on reinstall the application and go ahead and reinstall your application just like that. Well, it is going to go ahead and clear most of the cache that is out there. However, the size is only going to have a small little change, so don't worry about that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.